we're just up on the roof here, box gutter, the broken top. The main issue here, we've got a 35-metre run with no expansion joints. Due to weather conditions, box gutters, they're going to expand and contract. And what's going to happen is it's going to pull apart. You can see someone has apparently fixed this previously. All they've done is bog all the laps with silicone. You can see our neighbours and how much more we've got on our side. This is a temporary fix there. That is not a fix in this situation. What would be required to do is install expansion joints to allow for this. So you can see that's just not a fix. It's just going to split apart again.